Hey everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Imagine this, you try to sign into your iPhone or iPad and suddenly you see your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons. Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, today I'll show you why this happens and exactly how to unlock your Apple ID, including a full step-by-step guide using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Why your Apple ID gets locked. So why does this happen? Here are the main reasons: incorrect details, multiple wrong Apple ID password attempts, fraud detection, Apple detects suspicious activity, wrong security questions, entering incorrect answers, security breach, your Apple ID may be signed in on multiple devices or locations. If your Apple ID is locked, you usually need to wait 24 hours to unlock it using the correct password. Sometimes Apple may review your account for days or even weeks. Ways to unlock Apple ID. Now let's talk solutions. Here are 6 proven ways to unlock your Apple ID. Way 1. Unlock in settings. Use a trusted device. Go to Settings, Profile, Sign in and Security, change password, enter your device passcode, create a new password, and hit Change. Way 2. Use iForgot. Go to iForgot.apple.com, click Reset Password. Enter your Apple ID email or phone number, follow instructions via email, phone, or security questions. Way 3. Using security keys. If you've set up a security key, go to Settings, Profile, Sign in and Security, Unlock Account, and follow on-screen instructions. Way 4. Through recovery contact. Use a recovery contact to get a 6-digit code. Enter the code on iForgot, then reset your password. Way 5. With recovery key. If you previously linked a recovery key, go to your Apple profile, choose Forgot Apple ID or password, enter the key, get the verification code, and reset your password. Way 6. Contact Apple support. Visit gethelp.apple.com, select Disabled Apple ID, and follow the steps to contact Apple support. Removing locked Apple ID using Passixer iPhone Unlocker. If your Apple ID is still locked, the ultimate solution is Passixer iPhone Unlocker. It removes locked or disabled Apple IDs from any iPhone or iPad. Here's how. Step 1. Launch Passixer and click Remove Apple ID. Step 2. Connect your device via USB. Passixer will detect it. Step 3. Click Start. If Find My iPhone is off, it will begin removing your Apple ID. iOS 11.4 or earlier, go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. iOS 11.4 or later, enable 2FA and screen passcode. Type 0000, click Confirm, then download firmware and start removal. Step 4. Once complete, your Apple ID will be unlinked and your device is ready to set up as new. Bonus tips. If your account is inactive, tap Request Access on the login screen. If Apple ID is still locked, try podcasts.apple.com, Apple Privacy Team, or create a new Apple ID as a last resort. And that's it. These are all the proven ways to unlock an Apple ID locked for security reasons, including the step-by-step Passixer guide. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Eassiy Official, and turn on notifications so you never miss our tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.